Waiting for our Uber. Going to Disneyland. Aww.
Hindi ko na ma-imagine ko. Dala lang kayo ng maraming energy. Tsaka patience.
Daming maganda. Ayan, haba ng pila po. Sagot naman dito sa Chanel. Haba rin. Tululaway namin dito sa Louis Vuitton eh. Chanel na nasa, at least nakapunta ako na Chanel. This one, baby? Okay. So we have to remove this. Oh, it's pink. Na-amaze na no.
Bakit?
Ang hirap kasi ito yung mga hindi natin nakikita. Kasi usually sa mga pina-follow natin sa Instagram, agad-agad nasa ski na sila, nakaganon, na-post na sila doon. Ito pala yung rentahan.
Yeah, you have
Ito
to
yung
rent.
nangyayari.
Ano kailangan mo i-rent?
You have to rent for the jacket, for the pants and shoes kasi hindi pwede ang rubber shoes kasi papasukin ng tubig. Pwede daw leather. Pero syempre, we just have to borrow kasi para safety and hindi tayo babasahin at hindi tayo lalamigin.
So guys, nandito na kami sa ski park sa Naiba. Actually happy ako dahil second time kong mag-experience ng snow pero first time kong maglalaro talaga at mag-i-enjoy sa snow. Okay.
Hey guys! Kami naman, we rented the pants and boots kasi naka-rubber shoes kami bawal siya. My first time!
Nag-spend kami ng 3 hours dito sa Naiba ski park. Nag-enjoy ako, nag-enjoy yung mga bata. Although hindi naman ako nag-ski but naglaro talaga kami sa snow at grabe yung enjoyment. We're eating lunch muna. Freedom?
Yeah.
How's your hot chocolate? Is it good?
Yeah.
How about you?
Very.
Favorite mga kids, tempura.
Super excited na yung mga girls. Kami ni Freedom, okay lang. Support lang kami but later we're going to Pokemon. Are you excited? Hello? Hello? Wow! Wow, Feather!
3 minutes waiting.
Oo nga eh. This is their village, Feds!
Where are we going? Ano na naman to? So parang siyang mga rooms guys. Oh wow! Yay! Let's see what's
Can
inside.
I have one hairband?
Let's ask Papa. Okay, oh no, oh no. Ang sarap, guys. Ang sarap. Sabi yung mga anak ko. Teka, nakalimutan ko. Teka. Bye, guys. Shopping muna kami. 4 floors pala to, guys. Oh. Napa-order tuloy kami ng bento lunchbox for the kids para makuha lang namin yung mga lunchbox.
Gusto niya
na
kasi
yun.
lunchbox.
Yeah, may motibo po akong iba. Oh. Ang ganda.
Feather.
Feather.
Your food.
Forest.
Forest. Freedom. Your food. Because it's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Feather. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Feather.
Okay.
Oh! Yan. Restaurant, same na kinainan namin kanina.
Oh, sit down na kayo, kids.
Cute. Ride na yan, 50 minutes waiting. Natanggal kami ng coat kasi medyo mainit lang talaga dito pala. And maraming tao. To think, today is Saturday, that's why I thought weekdays. Nagkamali yung booking ko din. But anyway, okay siya dito. Ang daming yung mabibili talaga, budol. Ang daming mga kung ano-anong makikita mo dito, mga abubot. Gosh. Oh no. Ang ganda naman yan, Ate Olo. Oh. Another budol. Uy. Uy. Oh, diba? Panic siya. Wallet daw. What is that? You ask Papa. Okay, that's a ball pen, babe. Okay. Ang nabudol namin. Thank you, Papa.
Welcome.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday.
Actually,
Oh, thank
ayaw
you.
na niya eh. Kasi too many na daw. Ayan,
Yeah.
pakita mo ka. Too many na daw, sabi niya. Papa loves yan, Mama. Bye-bye. We had fun. We had bonding. We're off to, syempre sa Happy Land ni Papa Gio. Malayo-layo siya from Ginza. It's like an hour away. Yeah, so malay mo, iba nga ang Gio dito, no?
Tignan natin.
Oo. Malay mo.
Malayo na yan.
Malayo. Sila dyan sa ibang taxi going to Pokemon. Kasi apparently, ang Hello Kitty, Sanrio Puraland, walang Uber papuntang Ginza. So, nag-MRT kami na hindi ko na nahunan kasi medyo nangarag na ang beauty ko. And nangarag na kami kasi it was like 4 p.m. Medyo madilim kasi dito agad, pero 4:30 pa naman yun. So, no choice kami. Nag-MRT kami, which is sobrang helpful naman ng mga tao doon. It was smooth. And now, we're in Shinjuku, going to Pokemon Center. Grabe, what a day. It was such an adventure and tulog siya. Wala siyang idea kung ano nangyari. Wow. We're in Pokemon Center. How was your taxi ride? Okay, we're waiting for our turn. Thank you. Wow! Bungad pa lang. Wow! Little boy! Alam na kung saan kakain, no, guys? Ito, Pokemon Center. Yan. May show din pala, dapat. Oh, ito yung food. Wow! Grabe. Grabe to. OMG. Wow. Oh, lahat. Ang dami. Oh, there are socks, stickers. Oh, and I don't know their names, but they're all Pokemons. Wow. Done with Pokemon Center. Are you
Yes.
happy? Yes?
Nakabili
Yeah.
si Freedom
Okay.
ng toy,
Yan.
pencil case, ano ba,
Pencil,
stickers.
stickers.
Actually, ako bumili na ako ng stickers ko.
Ikaw pala yun.
Yeah, cute
Also napkins for my eating.
Napkin.
Oh, that's a towel. Face towel, baby.
Towel
Face towel for
for
eating. Yeah.
Me, Mama bought it.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you sa hotel namin. Sa bago naming room. Wow, ang ganda naman dito. Wow. Love it. Walking. Going to our hotel in Memaru, Ginza. So, it's our last night in Japan and fiesta! Takoyaki? Tama?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki, soba, something, and steak, care of John Prats, and the rice from 7-Eleven. And the kids. Ayan, nagluluto pa sila. Okay, yung mga pamili, naglaro yung mga kids kanina, mga labahan, mga iimpake.
Mama!
Yan, okay guys, na-tour na ba namin kayo? Sana naman hindi nyo kami mabash at in-judge. Ito pa, yung mga panag-shopping. It's the last shopping day here in Japan. Are in a famous Shibuya crossing!
Guys, kung sino nakaparod ng Alice in Borderland, yan yun eh. Diyan sila nag-cross, going here, tapos nagkaroon ng accident somewhere here. Tapos umakbo sila doon,
Nag-CR.
sa train station na yun.
Oh, parang nag-CR sila, di
Paglabas
ba?
nila, yun na yung wala ng tao. Ito yun.
Ganda nun. I love that.
Yes.
And now we are going where?
We're going to Hachiko. Kasi mag-introduce namin sa kanila kung sino si Hachiko.
Hi! Hi! Doble-doble lang kami today. Medyo nasanay na rin kahit papano sa lamig. Kung kailan pa uwi na. It's our last day today. So, yan. We will just stroll lang. Window shopping. See you! Grabe. Ang daming tao nun. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Mga taga Cebu.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you.
Mga Bisaya sa sila. Nandito na tayo. Buti na lang hindi ganun kahaba ang pila. Ayan na si Hachiko. Kami na yung next! Hello! Medyo popular talaga tong Shibuya Crossing na to. Sikat to, di ba?
Yes, super sikat.
Habang naglalakad ka dito, may music. I think, hindi ko alam, parang kang namaraan pala.
Video?
Parang kang nasa music video. Kaya, ang galing lang. I love it. I used to travel alone nung single pa ako. Tapos parang, yung hindi ko na alam kung saan ako, parang, doon ako parang na-challenge ako. Nasaan na kaya ako? Tapos tanong-tanong. Kasi nung time na yun, wala pa namang Google Walk. And Waze. Grabe yung samba dito.
Daan tayo dyan mamaya. Hindi usong sambaw.
Ayan na. Bayan. Hindi ako makainig kasi nasa vlog ako eh. Bayan. Ayan, bakit?
May
Nakaangat.
dila. May dila. Ano, gusto nyo kayo tayo?
Kain muna kami. Hinahanap kami yung Ichiran. Kung saan parang speech laboratory siya. Pero sobrang sarap. Napakang sarap. See you guys there.
29 minutes walk.
Papa.
Hey. Sarap.
Dito yung cooking station. Here we are. Parang walang tao today, ah. Dati nagpunta kami dito, sobrang daming tao. As in, sikip. Sikip. I wonder why.
Masarap pumasok ka, papayagan mo ba ako? Motorcycle shop.
Marap ka na lang ba? Andyan ang Lululemon. On. Tsaka mga vintage shop. I really thought it's a residential area. Ito, Oakley. I think papunta tong Harajuku na kasi, no? That's why. It's so nice. Ayan o, maliliit lang siya na shops. Grabe. So, syempre, si Mare. Ayan. Hindi ako bibili kung hindi sale, guys. Grabe tong area na to.
Grabe, hindi ko na-expect na ganito siya.
Hindi ko in-expect. Oh.
Sobrang hindi ko na-expect na ganito yung lugar.
15 minutes na kami naglalakad. Hindi ramdam kasi malamig eh. Sobrang lamig. Kung kailan medyo manipis kami yung suot, siya talaga yung lamig. Wala kasing araw. For 2 days na mabigat yung suot namin. Yun yung maaraw. Weather forecast. Medyo iba-iba din. Pero sarap. Sarap yung weather. Kaya hindi masyadong ramdam yung pagod. Waiting for our car and we are gonna go back to our hotel. This is our last night in Japan. And that's it. Okay, fit check. Wala na mga leggings. Wala na mga inner. Going home.
Guys, thank you, Maru.
Bye. Bye, Amaru. Ito yung van. Aha. Ang laki, guys. Ito yung pang family talaga. We're here na sa airport. Yan, mga dala namin. On our way to gate 93. Andun yung plane namin. We just ate lunch. Again, hindi ko na videohan kasi nangarag na kami. We have like 50 minutes na lang to walk. I think this is it. We have to say goodbye to our vlog. Yes, let's say goodbye to our vlog, guys. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed our 7th birthday celebration with Feather. Bye.
Subscribe. Ring the bell.
Thank you so much, guys. Till our next trip and till my next vlog. God bless you, everyone.